In an interview last Friday, we brought you the comments of the former Attorney General Wilfred Ellerington, who spoke on the ruling made by the Chief Justice Kenneth Benjamin regarding Section 53. Ellerington told the media, quote, "I think that it should be appealed, not because I don't have confidence in the decision of the Chief Justice, but because substantial sections of the public are not happy with the decision. And I think that we should do all in our power to ventilate the matter as widely as possible, so that nobody could say or have any criticisms against the government. So if the matter is appealed to the Caribbean Court of Justice, which is the final court of appeal, I don't think anybody would then be in a position to fault the government for not doing all that we could." End of quote. The ruling on Section 53 has seen a lot of negativity being thrown about, particularly on social media. While there is no official comment on the matter from the main opposition People's United Party, the leader of the opposition did write on his timeline, quote, "I would just like to remind all of us that respect and tolerance must always prevail over bigotry and hate. If we respect one another, then we should have little room for bigotry and hate. I remind everyone of the words of Pope Francis, who said, quote, 'Who am I to judge?' End quote. It is not Belizean to hate. Bigotry is also not Belizean. We are a people who value peace and we love love. We who are PUP says the PUP to love. Let us together banish fear and ignorance and embrace diversity. Let us respect each other and never forget that it is our diversity which makes us strong and why we say that we are beautiful Belize." End of quote. His statements on Facebook has reportedly created some displeasure within the PUP, and as we understand it, that displeasure was hashed out in a 4-hour-long meeting yesterday, which included all 5 deputies and Briceño. The party leader, however, is not the only one from the PUP who issued a statement, as Senator Valerie Woods rose up in yesterday's Senate meeting to speak on the ruling on Section 53.
So I rise to give my recognition of that ruling. I rise to give that recognition because while it is of national importance to Belize, it is a significant victory for human rights, yes, in Belize, in the region, and indeed for human rights worldwide. Specifically because of this ruling made by Chief Justice Kenneth Benjamin, it states specifically the right not to be discriminated, the right to privacy, the right to be treated with dignity, no matter the race, religion, or sexual orientation or identity. So indeed, it is a good day for Belize, it's a good day for human rights. And while I recognize that there are so many in our society who do not support the ruling, who do not agree with the ruling for various reasons, I am certain that the honorable members of this chamber will join me in stating that notwithstanding those disagreements, at no time should we agree that there should be violence, discrimination, or hatred because.
Based on Briceño's comments, however, it is still not indicating whether the People's United Party is in support of the Section 53 ruling, as his statement only sought to condemn the hate being spewed because of the decision.